Hey guys, I'm Levi. Today I have quite an exciting video that I've been looking forward to making for a while. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my new monitor, a Kogan 27-inch 1440p curved 144Hz gaming monitor. But here's the catch, it cost me $380. For people in America, that's about $260. If you know anything about monitor specs, you'll know that pricing is insane. I'll leave a direct link to each product in the description below, but otherwise you can just go to Kogan.com and you can find it there. When I just bought my monitor, I was looking on YouTube for a review or unboxing, whatever, and I couldn't find any videos on this monitor, so hopefully by the time I upload this will be the only unboxing of this monitor itself. I'm going to be unboxing a dual mount. I bought it for both of my monitors. One's my old one. I thought I wouldn't sell this monitor. I thought I'd keep it and may as well have two at the same time, because why not? The mount is super cheap as well. That was $60. Alright, let's get into it. The first couple of pieces in here are part of the stand. It feels strong, sturdy, and it feels like a durable material. Next we have a bag with a few things in it. Inside there's an energy rating sticker, random pieces of paper and advertising, but we also have a DisplayPort cable, which is really handy. The monitor itself comes with 3 ports, a DisplayPort, and 2 HDMIs. You're going to be using the DisplayPort the most if you have a good enough PC, because the DisplayPort is the only one that will give you the 144Hz refresh rate. The HDMIs can only give you a max of 60Hz. Then of course you just have the normal power cable. Then we have the monitor itself. And now I have the dual monitor mount. Here's some instructions which will come in handy. I'm just going to speed through this because it's not all that interesting. This is the finished product. The mounting system allows many different orientations. This is the orientation I use so that I don't have to turn my neck too far. This is what the stand looks like when it's built. I have the VESA mount, so I don't actually need this, but it's a really nice design anyway. All I can say is that this monitor is a beast, and I couldn't really ask for more. Well, I could ask for a better PC to make the most of it, but I'll have to wait a few months and earn a bit of cash before I do anything about that. I also have a list of video ideas that I'm going to be making in the next few days, so look out for more uploads coming your way. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on all of my socials at Levi Guyan. Links are also down below, so click on those. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Also comment down below any videos you might like to see. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.